Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can add your friends on your Spotify. So we'll cover two methods. First, searching friends with their username, and the second one, connecting Facebook to Spotify. So let's start. Okay, so first of all, let's open Spotify. We need to have username of our friend. So what I'll do here, I have two accounts here. So let me go to settings and accounts, and let me copy username. Okay, now let's go to the second account. Okay, so when you open your Spotify, you will see your screen like this. Then you have to tap on search, and in the search bar you have to search your friend's username. Okay, on the top you will see your friend's profile. Tap there. To follow, just tap on follow. Okay, now let's go to the second method. For the second method, what you have to do, tap on your profile button on the top left corner of the screen. Then go to your profile view. Now tap on these three horizontal dots. You will see this pop up. Now tap on find friends. Okay, it will ask you to connect Facebook. Just connect with your Facebook. Then you will see the screen, follow all. I have 0. None of my Facebook friends are in Spotify. Here you will see how many of your Facebook friends are in Spotify. So you can tap on follow all to follow them all. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can follow your friends on Spotify. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.